Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a leap into the future, a future that's just around the corner. We're going to explore 5 revolutionary AI tools from Google that are set to completely reshape our world by 2027. Forget what you think you know about AI, because what's coming is more powerful, more creative, and more integrated into our lives than ever before. So, buckle up as we journey into the very near future and unveil the technologies that will define the next era of innovation. First up, let's talk about the next evolution of Google's flagship AI, Gemini 3. If you thought Gemini 1.5 was impressive, get ready to have your mind blown. Gemini 3 isn't just an incremental update, it's a quantum leap forward. By 2027, Gemini 3 will be a truly multimodal AI, capable of understanding and reasoning across text, images, audio, and video with near-human nuance. Imagine feeding it a complex scientific paper, a silent film, and a dataset of financial trends. Gemini 3 won't just process each one individually, it will synthesize the information, identify hidden connections, and generate novel insights that no human could spot alone. It will be able to watch a video of a Rube Goldberg machine, understand the physics of every interaction, and then write a detailed script explaining it, compose a fitting musical score, and even suggest improvements to the design. For professionals, this means an AI assistant that can join a video meeting, understand the context of the conversation, pull up relevant files, draft follow-up emails, and schedule the next steps, all in real time. It's not just about doing tasks faster. It's about unlocking a new level of strategic thinking and creativity, making it the ultimate cognitive partner. Next on our list is a tool that will redefine the boundaries of digital art and creativity, Imagen 4. We've all seen AI-generated images, but Imagen 4 will take this to a whole new level of photorealism, coherence, and control. By 2027, creating stunningly realistic images will be as simple as describing them in natural language, but with an unprecedented level of detail. Think about being able to specify not just the subject, but the lighting, the lens type, the mood, and the exact composition, as if you were a professional photographer. Imagen 4 will be able to generate images that are indistinguishable from reality, understanding complex concepts like reflections in water, the texture of a knitted sweater, or the subtle play of emotions on a person's face. But it goes beyond static images. Imagine you're an architect. You could ask Imagen 4 to create a hyper-realistic rendering of a building you designed, but also ask it to show you what it would look like at sunset during a rainstorm, or even 50 years from now with weathered materials. For marketing, design, and entertainment, this is a game changer. It democratizes high-end visual creation, allowing anyone to bring their most ambitious visual ideas to life instantly. From still images, we move into the world of motion with our third tool, Veo. If Imagen 4 is the master photographer, Veo is the visionary film director. Veo is Google's answer to text-to-video generation, and by 2027, it will be capable of creating high-definition, cinematically coherent video clips over a minute long from a simple text prompt. The key here is coherence. Early video models often struggle with consistency, with objects or characters changing from frame to frame. Veo is being trained to understand the language of cinema, things like aerial shots, time lapses, and dolly zooms. You could type in a cinematic drone shot of a majestic horse galloping across a deserted beach at sunrise, and Veo would generate a breathtaking, stable, and visually stunning clip that looks like it was shot by a professional film crew. This has enormous implications for content creation, rapid prototyping for filmmakers, and even personalized entertainment. Imagine a future where a child's bedtime story isn't just read, but generated as a unique, animated short film in real time. Veo is set to drastically lower the barrier to video production, unleashing a wave of creative storytelling from people who previously lacked the resources to bring their visions to the screen. Now, let's shift gears from creativity to a field where AI can have a truly life-altering impact: medicine. Our fourth tool is AlphaGenome, a direct descendant of the groundbreaking AlphaFold. While AlphaFold solved the protein folding problem, AlphaGenome aims to tackle an even greater challenge: mapping and understanding the entire human genome and its complex interactions. This isn't just about reading DNA. It's about understanding. By 2027, Alpha Genome will be able to analyze an individual's genetic data and predict their susceptibility to a vast range of diseases with incredible accuracy. But it doesn't stop at prediction. The model can simulate how different genetic mutations lead to disease and, crucially, how potential drug treatments might interact with those specific genetic pathways. This will revolutionize personalized medicine. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, doctors will be able to prescribe treatments tailored to your unique genetic makeup, dramatically increasing effectiveness and minimizing side effects. Alpha Genome represents a pivotal step towards a future where we don't just treat diseases, but prevent them. Based on a deep, AI-driven understanding of our own biology, the impact on human health and longevity will be nothing short of profound. Finally, we come to a tool that will change how we build the digital world itself: Gemini Code Assist. This is far more than just a code completion tool. Think of it as a senior software engineer, an expert architect, and a tireless security analyst, all rolled into one AI-powered partner. By 2027, Gemini Code Assist will be deeply integrated into the entire software development lifecycle. It will be able to take a project description written in plain English and generate a complete, well-structured, and efficient code base for an entire application. It won't just write code, it will understand the underlying business logic. Developers can have a conversation with the AI, asking it to refactor a complex system for better performance, identify and patch subtle security vulnerabilities before they become a problem, or even explain a legacy code base that has no documentation. This will massively accelerate the pace of software innovation. It frees up developers from tedious, repetitive tasks and allows them to focus on the truly creative and strategic aspects of problem solving. For businesses, this means faster development cycles, more robust and secure applications, and the ability to bring new ideas to market at a speed we can barely imagine today. So there you have it, 5 Google AI tools that are set to redefine our world by 2027. From Gemini 3 acting as our cognitive partner, to Imagen 4 and Veo democratizing creativity, Alpha Genome revolutionizing medicine, and Gemini Code Assist accelerating technological progress, the future is arriving faster than ever. These tools aren't just about automation, they're about augmentation, empowering us to be more creative, more intelligent, and more capable than ever before. It's a truly exciting time to be alive, and we're just at the very beginning of this AI-powered revolution. Which of these tools are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you in the future.